Alright guys, this is BJ at Basil's Trucking Camper, and today we're going over something that seems fairly straightforward, fairly simple, but we see it done incorrectly or poorly a lot. We installed some E-Track on a 30-foot trailer. Customer's going to be picking up in the morning. We see a lot of people, when they install the E-Track, they only using wood screws into the plywood. This trailer's got 3/8 plywood walls. It's pretty sturdy enough, but we like to install it where we install self-tapping metal screws into every post. We use a 3/8 hex head, self-drilling, 1.25 inch long so we don't go through the skin, into every post. Another thing, I don't know if you can see that, is right here. This is a backer board screw. It's actually got locking teeth on the back side of the head, and it also has locking teeth on the threads. Now that backer board screw, we like to use it because it does have the teeth, so as this trailer's riding and vibrating going down the road, the screws aren't going to back out. So those in combination with the metal screws will keep this E-Track in place. We see a lot of customers bring E-Track in and it's falling off the walls. We have to redo it. Whether another company has done it, where they've done it themselves, who knows. You'll also notice that on the end of the E-Track, we put 4 screws. This kind of depends on what the distance is from the wall post where you do see the 3/8 hex head. You got to kind of use your own judgment sometimes. On this one, we use 4. There's one further back where I actually did a lot more because the end of my E-Track was going to miss this post. I'm all the way at the end of the post on the other end. It just fell a little bit short, so I put the 2 in the middle just like normal. And so I did 6 on the end here because I don't need a customer coming back and complaining about his E-Track coming off, especially this guy. He's coming down from Tennessee. I don't need to try to pay anybody else to redo it. I don't need him calling me and complaining about it. So we're just going to do it as best we can the first time. You'll see a few odd places where there should be a green screw, but there's actually a metal screw. Like here, we were going to do the 4 green screws in the middle. That's in the 3rd hole from each post from each side. That's why they're missing the hole in the middle there. That's how we like to lay it out. But this has got a hex head right here because this Rock Solid trailer, that's the brand of this trailer, is a Rock Solid. We're a Rock Solid dealer. They actually have X bracing inside the wall. So there just happened to be that piece of banding right there when I went to put in a wood screw. So we came back, put a self-tapper right there. So that'll reinforce that a little bit better. But this is just E-Track. It's not all that difficult to install, but we do see so many times where, especially bread guys, bread and snack guys use it a lot on their rolling crates. And they come in and it's falling off the walls because it was done at another company or they tried to do it themselves. We did actually do it on both sides. I'm sorry it's dark, but it's raining, it's overcast. So there you go, just a few little tips to install E-Track. This is our running trend, the way we like to do it. The backer board screws are a little more expensive, but it's definitely worth it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. You need something installed, need to buy E-Track, we stock it. At Basil's Trucking Camper, phone number 334-260-5554. Thanks. Have a great day.